Good morning, children. Let us continue the geography lesson 3, mineral and power resources. And yesterday I have explained about the what do you mean by the mineral, and also there are the different types of minerals are there, I said. So today let us learn about the different types of the minerals. In the different types of the minerals divided into two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals. The metallic minerals are divided into ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. So let us learn about the metallic minerals. Metallic minerals contain metal in a raw form. Metals are hard substances that conduct heat and electricity and have a characteristic luster or shine. So the metallic minerals are it is a raw material, but it is very hard substances. These substances is having a characteristic of the shine. And the example of the metallic minerals, iron ore, bauxite, manganese, manganese ore are some examples. So the metallic minerals may be ferrous or non-ferrous. It is a very hard substances, but in a hard substances also there are two types are there. Ferrous minerals. The ferrous minerals like a iron ore, manganese and chromites contain the iron. In ferrous minerals, the iron content it is there. Hard substance only, but iron ore and manganese and chromite contain the iron. Non-ferrous minerals does not contain iron, but may contain some other metal. It is a non-ferrous, it is a metal only, but iron substance it is not there, such as gold, silver, copper and lead. So the metallic minerals are very hard. They are divided into two. The ferrous minerals are contain the iron, and also the non-ferrous minerals does not contain the iron. It is a hard substance only, but does not contain the iron. Example, gold, silver, copper and lead. The second one is the non-metallic minerals. Non-metallic minerals do not contain the metal. In these minerals there is no metal content, but it is a minerals only. Example, limestone, mica and gypsum are some examples of such minerals. The mineral fuel like a coal and petroleum are also non-metallic minerals. So children, the non-metallic minerals, coal, petroleum also comes under the non-metallic. It is not a hard substance, it is a liquid. Limestone is a not very hard substances, but it is a minerals only. So these different types of the minerals divided into two, metallic and non-metallic. Metallic minerals are divided into two, ferrous and non-ferrous. All these minerals, how can we take it out from the underground? So the minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying. By these three types, minerals can be extracted by mining, drilling or quarrying also. These three types we can take it out from the minerals from underground of the earth to outside. The extraction of the minerals can take it out by mining, drilling and quarrying also. In mining also there are the two types are there. Open cast mining, shaft mining. The first one, mining. What do you mean by the mining? The process of taking out minerals from rocks buried under the earth's surface is called mining. When we are taking out the minerals from the rocks, it was buried under the earth's surface is called, and then it is called the mining. What do you mean by the mining? The process of taking out minerals from the rocks buried under the earth's surface is called the mining. The minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as the open cast mining. That just where open cast mining means in first picture the one Sukant and also Kiri, and there we have seen the by using of the cranes taking the coal and filling the trucks. That is the open cast mining, just to remove the layer of the surface, and also they take from the cranes and fill the trucks, and this coal also located just under the layer of the earth's surface it is located. So what do you mean by the open cast mining? Minerals that lie at shallow depths are taken out by removing the surface layer. This is known as open cast mining. The deep bores called shaft have to be made to reach minerals deposits that lie at great depths. This is called the shaft mining. Shaft mining by using of the deep bores. Then how can they take? So it is located in the deep of the earth in the underground. Example like a petroleum and natural gas occur far below the earth's surface. Deep wells are bored to take them out. This is called the drilling. So the petroleum and natural gas occur. It is located underground, the below the surface of the ocean bed also it is there. So how can they take? By drilling machines, by using of the pipes and drilling machines, they take the petroleum and also the natural gas. Minerals that lie near the surface are simply dug out by the process known as the quarry. By digging and just taking out the minerals, and below the surface just it is by digging and they take the some of the minerals. So some minerals are deep inside of the earth, some of the minerals are just removing the layer of the earth's surface it can be we can take, and also the some of the minerals are deep inside of the earth under the ocean bed. So children, just once again you have to read that what do you mean by the mining, open cast mining, shaft mining, and also the drilling and quarrying. So all these minerals, how it is extracting, how we are taking out from the depths of the earth's surface. All the minerals also divided into two types, metallic minerals and non-metallic minerals also. And in the metallic minerals there are the two types, ferrous and non-ferrous minerals. All these minerals extracting by mining, drilling, quarrying. In mining, open cast mining and shaft mining also it is there. Just once again read the textbook and understand the lesson and also the meaning of the mining, open cast mining, shaft mining and quarrying. Let us continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you.